Hi there. This time we are going to put epoxy on the hull. The temperature here in the garage is about 18 degrees Celsius. And when you glue the pieces together, the strips together, it's favorable if the temperature is a bit higher, around 30 degrees or 25 at least, in order for the epoxy to penetrate well. So I'm going to raise the temperature in here with a heater for a car. So I will place the heater in the strong back, and as warm air travels up, I hope that will make the air get up in all of the bulkheads. Just by feeling around here in the different bulkheads, I can feel that all the way down here it's getting warm, but as this section has the cross beam, not much air gets by this, and this part is not warm at all. So I need to do something else. I need to cover it. Will make the heat stay under the hull. As this might be a bit dangerous, as it will get very hot after a while. I need to constantly attend to this, so I can't leave it unattended. Then I have to unplug the heater. But I will do some other things here in the garage while waiting. like it's important to get a rather thin and small screwdriver to raise the staple a little bit enough so you can get in and under and pull it. I think it will be useful to have something to bend against. Of course, it's rather fast to fasten the strips when using staples, but it takes a hell of a time to remove them afterwards, so I'm not sure if I will continue using staples for the rest of the boat. Maybe I'm going to glue the rest. Now I have a method that I think is a bit quicker. I lift the staple a little bit with the screwdriver bending against this metal piece. And then I can do a couple in a time using the same tool, and later change tool. Oh, here we have the screws that I fasten. And as I have put no epoxy in here, it's quite easy to remove it. Save the last one for a little later, because that will keep the hull together. Here it's a bit more difficult because the plywood is much harder to loosen the staples from. And also I have got some epoxy on the staples. I can collect all this for recycling. Here you can see that the arrow I made in the beginning with the stern line being a little bit too much to the left is still remaining a little bit. Up here the laser is in the middle, but down here it is about 2 millimeters off. So I'm thinking about how to adjust this, and maybe I will sand on this side a little bit more, 2 millimeters here, and up here I will sand 1 millimeter on each side. So that should take care of it. To make the strip take the bend, it needs to be narrow, as you can see here, where it's a bit thicker. It will not take the bend without breaking, but this thickness will do. So it's good to have a couple of waist strips as well. So now I have two rather thin strips that might take the bend. We'll just plan this a little bit.